Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove a repost on TikTok. So, for example, you have reposted a video over on TikTok, but now you don't want to basically repost it anymore, you just want to remove it from that repost tab. Then here's how you can do this. So all you need to do is open your TikTok app like this, and you want to go and head over to your profile. And once you've done that, you will see a lot of options right here. You will see your private videos, but also your reposts right here. All you need to do then is just click on that repost you want to remove. Just like this. Once you've done that, you need to go to this share icon right here at the bottom right, just like this. And then it will say right here, remove repost, and it will say removed. And when I literally just right now refresh this, we can see that that video is now removed or deleted from my reposts. So that's how you can remove reposts over on TikTok. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.